have we been? What have we been doing? The world is a crazy place right now. I don't know what's going on, but we're in the shop. It's been a long time. There have been projects going on. I just haven't been filming them. Feel kind of funky filming and trying to be happy on camera and doing all this. But today, we're doing something else. We're doing something. We're getting out of the shop. We're going on a road trip. This is kind of the State of the Union. This is my state of my sanity. This is where we're at. This is the shop. I have an update for some of you guys that have been asking about this little beautiful piece of equipment in the corner here. It's a Craftsman jointer, and it's been hiding out. I started to restore it a long time ago. Not a long time ago, a couple years ago, and then I moved, and it's been over here covered. I've had a lot of people asking me, when are you going to do part 2? I want to see it running. Let's get it going. Well, there it is. And the upcoming project is going to be to finish that. I got all the hardware. I think I still have all the hardware. Let's see. I think I threw it in with the drill bits, maybe the lathe tools. There's parts in here. There's the parts. So yeah, see? Here's parts. Let's see. Here's the parts for the jointer, the knives, the screws. I think I put everything in here. Yeah, there it is. It's all in there. The knives and the screws, the set screws. We're going to sharpen up those blades, those planer blades, because these are pretty good. They just need to get touched up. So we're going to do all that, and we're going to clean it up. We're going to clean it up. Another thing we should probably do, I got so much crap in here. Another thing we should probably do is finish up this. This is a nice walnut coffee table that needed... I have videos for all this that I started, and here it is. It just stopped. I mean, the world just stopped, people. This is like freaking apocalypse or something. So yeah, we're gonna get on this. I'm not gonna do this all right now, but we are gonna pull out. We're gonna pull out the joiner. That's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna put that back together real soon. The rest of the shop is a friggin' mess. I've been working on this table. I kind of reclaimed. It's kind of an old, weird-looking thing, but I felt like I should probably give it a new home and finish it. So we're just refinishing that right now. It's some kind of weird burl. It's cool. But anyway, I just wanted to start filming. This is not going to be my best video ever. It's not even really going to be a video, I guess. It's just going to this is just to get you back up to speed. I need to talk. I need to get back into the routine. I need to make some stuff that people are interested in looking at. But first, to start this over, this is kind of like a day of resetting. We're going to go for a ride. It's going to be about an hour drive. And we're going to be picking up something quite unique for me. Something you would never, if you knew me, you'd be like, you're doing what now? And yeah, that's kind of how it goes. So, I don't know. Let's get the hell out of the shop. This is it. This is where we're at. It's, it's almost August, and the world is slowly, well, I guess we're going back into a shithole of coronavirus again, apparently. So we're going to probably be needing to handle our sanity in different ways. And today's way for me is going to be to get the hell out of here and go pick something up. Hopefully it fits in the truck. And yeah, let's go do this. All right, so we're on our way. We're about 10 minutes into the ride. Looks like we got a 40-minute drive to go. It's getting exciting. It's going to be, it's exciting. We're on our way, driving down the road. It's a pretty nice day for me because I don't have air conditioning in the truck, and I'm not good with sun. So this is fantastic that it's overcast and kind of rainy. It will make this whole process a little more enjoyable. We're heading north. We're heading north into Vermont. And we're picking up some cool things. Let's see. This is going to be good.
In 1 mile, turn left onto River Road.
I will turn left onto River Road in a mile. And then I'll check back with you guys when I'm getting closer. Alrighty. Alright, we're getting a little further out now. We're about 30 minutes away. It's just getting nicer and nicer as we go. Cooling down. It's a nice gray day. I gotta say though, it is really nice when you're driving around and everything is green and you smell fire in the distance. You catch this nice country smell. I miss that smell of the fire. you need to stand around a fire pit and do that for mental sanity occasionally. I think it's a very important part of life to sit around and throw sticks in a fire. It's overdue. It's long overdue. So that's also a public service announcement. I just wanted to check in and share some of the view while we're driving, and share that little tidbit of yeah, go start a fire and hang out with somebody in nature. Get out of the fucking house. Get off of Netflix and yeah, these commercials and all this stuff these days, man. It's awful. It's like, we're in this together bullshit. We're not in this together. Everybody's fucking freaking out. We're not in this together. We're all a bunch of fucking weirdos doing weird shit. This is craziness. But anyway, we're talking about good stuff today. We're driving down the road. Look at this beautiful country road. Come on. All right, enough ranting. Drive and get to the point of this whole freaking video. People are wondering at this point, what am I even doing here? What are we doing? What are we doing? All right, we got up the mountain, now we're going down the mountain. It's nice up here. Nice mountains. Vermont, hey. All right, I should probably focus on the driving and less of the filming right now. Probably. Yep, back roads. This is a state forest. I will be discreet and not name it, but yeah, we're on it. It's nice. Got to do this for another 6 miles. All right, can you feel it? We're getting real close. We're only about 3 miles away, and it's really nice out here. I think I've mentioned that, but you know, you've got the roadside creek right over here. I don't think you can see that. There you go. It's kind of hard to drive and film, but yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. Nice area. Probably should come back here sometime. Visit, take some photographs, do some stuff, get out in nature. All right, we're out here. I just did the deed, and to respect the guy's privacy that I was visiting, I did not film on his property, but we are not far up from it, and this is what you got right out the door. So I figured I'd pull over now to show you what we got in the truck. What did we pick up today? Beautiful day, overcast. Yes. And what did we get? What did we get? You ready to see what we got? We're ready to see what's in the back of the boat. In the back of the truck? What did I just say? We got a boat. We got a boat. That's what we drove for. We got a boat. It's a Coleman Crawdad. I'm gonna clean this thing up, put an electric motor on it, and get out into nature. This is exciting, folks. It's a nice little boat. Weighs about 130 pounds. It's about 12 feet long. Fits in the back of a Ford Ranger with just a couple little strap clamps. There it is. Coleman Crawdad. It's in good shape. Just needs to be cleaned up. Came with some oars. We'll get those refinished. And we're gonna get out. We're going to get out in the world. Nature. Doesn't get much better than this, folks. You stand in the middle of the road, film and talk to yourself, and pretty certain no one can hear you at this point. All right, but anyways, yeah, there it is. We got the boat. I'm very excited about this boat. I'm gonna be even more excited once we get it in the water. Yeah, I mean, what can I really say about it? It's a boat in the back of a truck right now, and it's kind of out of my normal range of things that I'd take interest. I think for the sake of getting out and hanging out with my girlfriend in the water, and maybe do some fishing or magnet fishing or drinking on the water, whatever people do in boats. That's what I want to do in a boat. And now I got one, so that's great. I don't even need a trailer. So boom, that's it. Let's get back in the road, and we're gonna drive back now. Well, just like that, we're out as quick as we came. What is it? What is that phrase? Whatever. We're on our way back, and it's getting sunny out, which is nice, but also it's getting warm. So I'm glad I went when I did, and I'm glad it was kind of damp and gray while I was up there, because this would have been not as enjoyable if it was going to be sun beating down on me. But yeah, it's nice scenery. It's looking pretty good up here. We're on our way back, so we're doing all right. Pretty excited about a boat and the opportunity to talk to y'all and try to get back on the back on course with the video making and projects and life in general, because holy hell, man, things have been crazy. I don't even know, folks. I don't know what to do, but I'm trying to do what I can to get back in the groove. Yeah, that's what I just said. Yep. All right, well, it's a boat. Gonna start cleaning it up. Clean up those oars. Probably refinish these, not probably, definitely. Refinish the wood on the oars, give them a new coat of urethane. Probably replace all this wood with new wood. Probably clean up all this aluminum with some Scotch-Brite just to shine it up a little bit. And take this all apart. We'll see what we can do. We'll soap it up real nice, clean it. Get the decals off and put some cool sweet vinyl cut on that thing. Right? That's going to be awesome. And the joy of listening to my neighbor's rattling air conditioning unit. So here's the before. Alright, I'm anxious to start taking it apart. Let's go get the flathead screwdriver, it looks like. These are all flatheads. Pull this all right out, start cleaning it up, strip it down. Okay, so we're about an hour into it. Found some ammo. Yeah, ammo in the boat. Got the oars out. I've got the rack out for seating. The wooden planks down there. Got that all out to clean up. All the separate components off the back and front over here cleaned up. Gonna wash those. Clean this out and bleached it and washed it. So there you have it, and then we've got all the floaties out. So there you see all the parts. Okay, so we're back after a day of cleanup. I pulled everything apart as you saw. I had it just kind of pieced it together now. I went around all the aluminum and cleaned it up with the Scotch-Brite. Everything looks nice and clean. It's not really oxidized and crappy anymore. Pulled the hardware off for the oars. I got that cleaned up. I repainted that. And I pulled all the foam out and bleached it, cleaned it up. Got all that stuff ready to go, drying out. So after I finished that, I got the other parts in here I cleaned up. That's just to hide the foam once you put it in the ends there. But yeah, so that's what I've been up to today. And we're down in the shop. Just to give you a little update on this part, I sanded down the oars and refinished them today. I coated them quickly with some boiled linseed oil just to get them a little bit of, they were a little dry, a little runny poly there. Polyurethaned them after that, so everything's dry and good to go. Well, it's drying now, but everything will be nice and dry once we get it in the water. These won't get waterlogged, in other words. So yeah, that's my day's project. I'm pretty excited. I got a boat, nice oars finished up. I think it looks good. And all the hardware, I got that cleaning up over here. And then this stuff over here I sprayed with the hammered metal paint. These are the inserts for the oars. I think that these being steel and the aluminum being aluminum, there's some chemical reaction. So I think by spraying these, I'm going to spray the bottoms obviously. It will help with contact between the two parts, and it should stop any erosion in the future. And I also touched up my little bar here. Cool. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope it was a good journey for you. I know it was for me. Got a nice boat. Got to go to Vermont and out of the house, get out of the funk. And yeah, we're ending it right where we started it. Back in the shop. I'm about ready to go take a shower because I'm dirty and sweaty. We'll get back to that. We're going to get back to that, I promise. We're going to do that. It's going to come up soon. That video is coming up soon. That's all I got for today, folks. Thank you. It's been fun. We'll see you on the water. Stay safe. Be friendly to your neighbors. And have a good day.